My company, Dependable Concrete, was hired to replace and hardscape this unusable backyard using EP Henry pavers. And in this short video, I will demonstrate to you step by step how I completed this job. First, I spread and compacted 6 inches of 3/4 inch crushed stone. I then installed a plastic membrane to prevent weeds from growing in between the pavers. Laying out the job is one of the most important steps to hardscaping. It's important to take your time and get this step right. There's no room for correction after the pavers are installed. My choice of aggregate for leveling pavers is called screening. This material provides a more stable interlocking bond and packs better than sand. I level the screening material using a long and straight 2x4 across level 1/2 inch PVC tubing. The tubing is set below both ends of the 2x4, acting as a rail. The 1/2 inch tubing is set according to snap chalk lines set by a laser level. The 1/2 inch tubing guarantees that I have a level and consistent 1/2 inch of screening material and a very leveled base. It's important to understand that an uneven base will undoubtedly transfer to an uneven paving job. Therefore, using a guided rail system that's stiff, such as PVC or metal conduit, is important to achieving a professional job. Correctly laying each paver in a straight pattern guarantees an overall straight pattern when the job is complete. For this job, we are installing 6x12 pewter gray concrete pavers. For my trim work around the edges of this paving job, I use a wet saw and I cut my pavers to a 1/8 inch accuracy. After the pavers are laid, I grout the pavers with screening. I then compact the pavers into the 1/2 inch bit of screening, improving the levelness and interlocking of the pavers. Please like, share, and subscribe to Dependable Concrete's channel. This will allow me to inform you on the products we use to complete this project. I immediately respond to all questions and comments, so leave a question or comment below. Please click the yellow mixer icon on the screen to subscribe to see more of our videos.